All right, we are basically about 3 or 4 days away from your show, and we've been consistent with the topic of everything that deals with fitness. Another one that people have misconceptions about in the world is core training. Give us the dynamics of core training.
One, if you come to the competition, you're going to see a lot of people that have very well developed abs, small waistlines, and at the end of the show is September 14th at the Greensboro Coliseum. We've got bodybuilding, women's physique, women's bikini, men's classic. So we've got all different divisions. Will help motivate you to get into a workout plan. But to reduce your waistline, when it's saying work your core, that's basically that term is being used to make people think it's going to get smaller waistline. Working your core means strengthening the muscles in the waist, which is good for you to have a strong core, which means you have less back problems, you'll probably have better posture, but working your core does not mean it's going to reduce your waistline. What it takes to reduce your waistline is doing an ongoing fitness plan, an ongoing nutrition plan, and losing the body fat, and at the same time, can be strengthening the core by different type exercises. Some people like Pilates, some people like weight training. There's a lot of different ways you can strengthen your core, but when they say come in, it's a good core workout, it does not mean it's going to reduce your waistline. And that's one of the main misconceptions I think most people have about fitness. So hopefully you like the content of this video, you subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. And you can contact me if you want more information on fitness at 336-987-4007 or contact me at gmail at quincyqrlee@gmail.com.